Good evening. Thank you for joining us. Vaccine expansion has taken a step forward in Western New York, and it's expected to be a big help for people in the southern tier. SUNY Fredonia will be home to a new vaccination clinic. As Gilad Malamed reports, this will provide an important service and helps pour water on a fire that had local and state leaders taking shots at each other.
SUNY Fredonia's ice arena will transform into Chautauqua County's newest mass vaccination site.
Really make this an efficient system and an easy way to vaccinate people.
Chautauqua County Executive P.J. Wendell says this has been part of the county's vaccination plans for a while, and now there's enough vaccine to follow through. He says the county received 800 doses this week. The site could open in a few days, depending on supply.
We're running vaccination hubs on Friday and Saturday. Both in the north and south. So my belief is that there will be a north end at SUNY Fredonia this weekend.
All appointments and vaccine administration is through the Chautauqua County Health Department.
Just off the top of our head, easily doing 1,000 a day out of SUNY Fredonia based on the size of their facility, the availability of our staff.
Wendell says this plan is unrelated to an NBC report from earlier this week. The report says the social vulnerability index federal officials used to rank vaccination sites suggested Chautauqua County. The report says state officials said no to a state FEMA vaccination site in the county, drawing criticism from local lawmakers, including Congressman Tom Reed, who's considering a run for governor.
It is very frustrating to me to see the political motivations of the governor's office that appears to be the basis for his advocacy to remove a mass vaccination site.
A spokesperson for the governor says dozens of locations across the state met FEMA and CDC criteria, and it is, quote, false any plans for a mass vaccination site in Chautauqua County were canceled. Reed says there are now indications there will be a state-run site separate from the county site in Fredonia.
A mass vaccination site is highly likely now to be reestablished and put into the southern tier.
SUNY Fredonia appointments can be made through Chautauqua County's website when available. Gilad Malamed, 7 Eyewitness News.